Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox on Lenovo Idea Tab Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. Now you can click open. And here you have to set your Firefox browser as your default browser, or you can click cancel. And here you can add Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Now you can sign into your Firefox account, or you can click not now. And here you can do notifications, or you can click not now again. Now you can set your theme, then click save and continue. And you can select your toolbar placement and then click again save and start browsing. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.